Today I'm going to show you how to decorate these 4 Halloween themed sugar cookies using round shaped or circle shaped cookie cutters. These are so much fun to decorate and they're perfect for beginners because they're basic designs but are so cute once they're done. The first design that we're going to decorate is the mummy design. So take your round cookie shape, outline it with white outline icing and fill it in with white flood icing. Once that has crusted over, use some black hybrid icing or outline icing or even a thick flood icing to create some eyeballs. And then I add white flood and then another dab of black just to separate the black and white. It makes them look more spooky on that white background. Then take your white outline icing and do irregular stripes in all the directions across the face and allow that to dry, and you have the easiest and cutest mummy cookie ever. This next design is going to be our Frankenstein cookie. I'm taking green outline icing and filling in the center with a green flood icing. Again, allow that to crust over or dry. And then we're taking some black icing once again to create a hairline, fill that all in. This black icing is like a thick flood that I'm using. That way I can still outline with it and use it to flood. Next, making some eyeballs, just how we did with the mummy, using black followed by a white right on top of that. And then to make them look a little bit more spooky, I'm using a purple flood right on top of the white. It's okay if these eyeballs are crazy looking or irregular, it just makes them look a little bit more creepy. Then using my black and white to create some scars and just cute little designs, whatever you want to do. I think he is adorable. Next, we're going to do a Dracula cookie using a round cookie cutter. Once again, using our black, purple, and white. I've made a heart shape on the cookie here, filled that in with all my white flood, and then what's left over, I go and fill in with the black flood. Again, this is just a thick black flood or a thin black outline. You do have to work it with your scribe when you're using a little bit thicker consistency icing, but black is very workable. He kind of looks like a penguin at this point, doing the same technique with the eyes, black followed by white, and then I am using green for the center of his eyes to make him different than the Frankenstein cookie, drawing a mouth and some little fangs. And he's done. Oh, cheeks too. Our last cookie is just a zombie guy, I guess you could call him. I'm using a purple outline and flood. Exact same process. Let that all crust over or dry. This one's completely dry because I sketched on my design with my scribe there, as you can see. Doing my eyeballs, using green for the center because of the purple background, and then drawing a cute little mouth here. You could do any type of mouth that you want, but I gave him a cute little look. Using some red and white to create teeth. If you don't want to add that red icing, just don't give him an open mouth with a tongue. Making some hair. And now we've got a cute little zombie guy. You can add any other cute details that you can think of. I decided to go ahead and add stitches, and our set is done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, hit that subscribe button.